Greetings, this is Dr. Douglas Maurer from iMedical Apps with another medical app review. Today we're looking at a new app called Pediatric Blood Pressure. This app is based off of the 2017 Clinical Practice Guideline from the American Academy of Pediatrics. That guideline focuses on the diagnosis and management of high blood pressure in children and adolescents. This app is a tool that helps bring that guideline to life. Essentially, it calculates percentiles, and that's about it. So for example, in our example on the online review, we had a boy who was 10 years old who was 145 centimeters. Simply by using the sliders, the app will calculate the blood pressure percentiles. In our example, the child's blood pressure in clinic for the sports physical was 118/80, which would put him in the greater than the 95th percentile. If you wanted to change that to female, here's your blood pressures there. Simply slide the slider to a different age and or corresponding height, and the app automatically updates the 50th, 90th, 95th, and 95th plus 12 percentiles. Other information in the app gives you just a little bit about what the app is supposed to do and what it doesn't do. It allows you to switch between centimeters and inches and does link out to the CPG, although in an online form, not the actual PDF. So it takes a little bit of time to get there. Once you're there, though, you can, and I would recommend that you download the PDF and store it on your device, say in iBooks or something similar. This app is different than the Pediatric BP calculator because that app is based off of an older NHLBI guideline, which this new app has updated. Neither of these apps, however, actually tells you what to do with the blood pressures, and that's kind of my gripe about this new app, as the guideline is over 70 pages long and would be helpful if it gave you a little more information with the data. So things I liked about it, as you can see, very quickly you can calculate these percentiles just by sliding things or pushing a button. It links to the guideline, which is always a plus when you have those references available. I think by having this app on your phone, you're more likely to actually pay attention to these numbers and use the guideline because you can now very rapidly calculate whether a child's blood pressure is in a concerning range or not. Some things I didn't like about it: it's kind of a one-trick pony. This is the only thing it does. It doesn't really have much information about the author, although if you go online, you can find a little bit more information about why this app exists. And this app currently is only available for iOS and not available for Android. So that's my look at pediatric blood pressure. This is Dr. Douglas Maurer from iMedical Apps. Take care.